This is the Homeowners Association's owned land for the Seasons at Palisades. There's the boat ramp and the playground here. So the homes right over here, that's the community, Seasons at Palisades. There's a lot of homes that have been there. You know, it's an existing community. They've been there for a while, but they're building new homes on some lots that were never developed on. So that's across the street. You come out of the community entrance, which is down this way, and then you can come into this, onto this lot over here. So there's a family here right now that's putting their boat in the water, and they unlocked the gate. So I pulled in, but normally the gate's locked. So I guess the owners, you know, have the code to get that chain down. So plenty of parking. Now, living in Central Florida, you know, the oak trees that we have and the Spanish moss, it just, you know, it creates the atmosphere and the character of the place. And I personally love it. I love being outside and having the space to come and sit at right on the lake. I think is such a neat benefit of this community. So they've got a grill here. We've got some picnic tables, another grill, the playground. And let's walk down the dock a little bit. You can put your boat in the water. And right in this area, we've got two big lakes, Lake Minneola and Lake Minnehaha. And a good section of Claremont is just sandwiched in between both of them. So as you drive through this area, you're passing the lakes and everyone's docks. Here's where you can pull a boat up here. You can see the Citrus Tower way off in the distance out there.